When you're planning a move, there's a lot to keep track of. Packing, utilities, movers. But one thing that's easy to overlook is transferring your medical records. Making sure your healthcare information moves with you is an important part of settling into your new home. Start by contacting your current doctor's office and letting them know you're moving. Ask about their process for transferring records. Many offices can send them electronically to your new healthcare provider. If you don't yet have a new doctor, request a personal copy of your records. You can keep a digital version or print copies in case of emergencies. It's also a good idea to update your pharmacy information and refill any prescriptions before you move, especially if you're changing states. This helps avoid gaps in your medications or treatment. For families, don't forget to transfer records for children and pets as well. Schools, pediatricians, and veterinarians will all need this information once you relocate. Staying organized with your medical documents ensures a smooth transition and helps your new doctors provide the best possible care. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.